Hey guys, Tom here, and in this video we're going to go over the basic functions of Arbitrage Underdog. Alright, so I've already done a search here. I did a search for book cover in Illustrator, and just so that I can demonstrate how this works. Alright, so let's go over the fields. Search for is obviously where you enter whatever it is that you're looking for. Exclude is if there is a consistent ad that keeps showing up. Let's say that let's say that you're looking for Illustrator, and then for some reason someone's running a campaign where there's some kind of a service that involves the word Illustrator, and all your results are just swimming in that particular one. Then just you would just add that keyword here, and it automatically excludes those things. Remove duplicates was explained in the video on the sales page. When you check this one, it's really simple. It removes duplicates. And although the algorithm of Arbitrage Underdog has already removed most of the duplicates, but you'll still see some duplicates like this one, digital illustrator needed. But the reason that our system hasn't caught it is because these guys are clever. They go, this one's in Bakersfield, this one's in Fresno. They post them in different cities. All right. Categories, whenever you do a basic search for anything, always leave this one alone. Don't select a category at all, because it is optimized to be left alone so that it can return as many results as possible. Now, if you want to use this for just, straight up Craigslisting or other niches outside of, because some people may want to use this for different purposes. And if you're not going to use the gigs jobs section, you may want to use this. For instance, if you're looking for a new car or whatever, because remember, what you're also getting with this tool is you're getting an incredible Craigslist tool with advanced features that they can't even dream of featuring the same thing on Fiverr. So the next time you want to use Craigslist to buy anything, use this, and you'll be amazed at the results that you get, and the amount of specification that you can have going on. This one is self-explanatory. You pick your state, which state you want to search in. If you have the Pro version, you can search all states at the same time, and you can also go within each state, and you can select a city. And we feature all the cities that are featured on Craigslist. Now, see this red guy up here? This is how you drag back and forth. So if as you can see, we've included so many options that we added this little red guy, so you can just drag it all the way over until you see everything. All right, let's go over each one. Listing, this one explains itself, and you can grab each one and expand it and go, and you can even switch them out if you don't like, if you want to list them by city first, just drag city over here. It doesn't really matter. It won't save it for your next session, but it's a fun little feature. And you and you have date, obviously today's date. Today's date is August 11th. Keyword, which is the keywords that you're looking for, but it tells you if you're using multiple keywords, it tells you this ad returns the results for your search for book cover. So it's kind of handy to know which state it is. And this one tells you which city in the state it is. Even though you didn't do a city search, it still lets you know that, which is also very handy. This one tells you which category it is. As you can see, we've programmed it to come from jobs or gigs. And we even show you which subcategory it is in. You can expand this and you see the different subcategories. Let's keep going here. Potential. Now, this one isn't as relevant as it used to be before we went just completely nuts with the algorithm and really got it down to a science. But this one, if you click on potential and you list it by potential, you will have virtually every single ad will be by someone looking to hire you. Now, because our algorithm is so good, even if you don't click on the potential, it's going to be very, very few ads that feature people who are not looking to hire you. But just in case, you know, you do a specific search and there's a few of them that you know, that's just illustrators looking to get paid money, you know, you may want to click on the potential thing. The country thing is blank right now because right now the only version that we have is for the US. And you can click on each one to you know, to search by, you know, you can search by category. There's searches by gigs. Now it searches by jobs. You can search by city, and I believe if you do a search like that, it'll be alphabetically. See Bakersfield, all that. You can search by keyword, book cover, illustrator, you know, by state, well, by state, and you know, it's by default it's listed by the freshest date here. Now let's grab the red guy over here. And down here, it just gives you a status when you've completed your Craigslist search. Down here, we have a feature. Perhaps not many people may use it, but we decided to include it because we know some people would like to use this. If you do a big search and for some reason you would like to save that result, you just click on Save Results, and it opens up a window where you can save it as an Excel file. And then you can click on Load Results, and it loads it straight back in here. And that is the Craigslist side. Now let's move over to Fiverr. Same thing here. Search for book cover illustrator. We don't have that many parameters because you don't need that many parameters on the Fiverr side. So the only thing we included here is an exclude filter for the same reason that you want an exclude filter here, the same way I explained it for Craigslist. All right, let's get into the features here. This is one of my favorite parts because this thing, I know that right now there's there's some guys that are selling a Fiverr bot. I'm not going to mention any names, and it used to be $99. Right now it's $47, and it doesn't even have all the features that we feature here. So again, in addition to an arbitrage bot, you know, the next time you're on Fiverr and you want to hire someone for any reason, use this because it's an extremely advanced search function feature. And here, let's get into it right now. All right, see the star? This star means that it's a top rated seller. It generally means that you can pretty much bet anything you have that this person's going to do a great job for you, because in order to get top rated seller status from Fiverr, you have to do an incredible job and you have to have a lot of gigs done. So our algorithm automatically lists on top the, you know, not only the top sellers, but the top sellers who have the highest rating count and the highest rating. But you can also, you know, you can also select to rate it by that. If you click on rating, it'll be listed by rating. But it's really good at selecting, making sure that when you click on search, on top you're going to have the sellers that you're most likely are going to want to work with. So here's the title. This one goes without saying, whichever title they have on Fiverr. Delivery, which means how long is it going to take him to deliver. Rating is how high is their rating. You know, and that obviously the 10 rating is greatest, 9 is good too, but you know, you probably don't want to hire like a 5 or something like that. Rating count simply means how many people have rated them. And obviously with almost 5,500 people having rated them, this is an amazing seller. This is, I believe this is the same Fiverr seller that I used as an example on the sales page. Video, this lets you know if they feature a video on their page. Some people have a video, some people don't, and you know, it depends on what you're looking for. This feature is very handy if you find someone over here on the Craigslist site that are looking to get some kind of a promotional video done. Then you just want to click on video like this, you know, and then you would automatically find them. Let's see. And let's see, rating. Yeah, let's list them by rating count there. All right, let's move on here. This one keeps going and going and going. And right here is the seller name, seller level, top rated seller. Top rated seller is good. And then you have level 2 sellers, which is almost as good. And you have level 1 seller, which is slightly less good. Country, this is where they operate out of. This one, it doesn't really matter. Don't be worried about this. You know, it's not a problem to hire someone from the Philippines as long as they have a high rating count. And then it lists their gig URL over here, and seller ID. And as you can see, and you can also, like I said, you can list it by rating. You can list it by anything you want. And let's get this guy dragged over here. And those are the basic functions of the bot. That covers this video. I will see you in the next one.